Hello, and welcome back to Redneck Snack and Food Reviews. If you can hear the AC, I apologize. It is a hot one today. Well, it's not really hot outside. It's like 60, but it's hot in this car. So it's just so bright, and I guess it's humid. It's a little bit windy too. But my car's on, so you might be able to hear the AC. I'm just trying to stay cool, and I've got a blizzard. So I got the Wonder Woman cookie Collision Blizzard, which is supposed to have um, regular cookie dough, chocolate cookie dough, and then fudge, their fudge mixed in. As you can see, it's not really mixed in very well. So I'm a little disappointed with that, but as long as it tastes good, that's what matters. But I don't know if they're not supposed to put much fudge in it, because I saw someone else's thing, and it didn't seem like it had much fudge, but this doesn't seem like it has any at all. So I will probably be getting it again down the road. Hopefully they put some stuff in here, because I don't know. It doesn't. Oh, I'm a little bit disappointed. Maybe a lot, actually, but we're just going to have to roll with it, review it, and, move on. I mean, I think I can taste chocolate ice cream, so. But, I don't know, this feels lackluster. To me, it's more flavorful than the brownie dough blizzard. Yeah, it's got more flavor to me than the brownie dough, which is weird. I will say this, like I've said many times, I do miss the peanut butter cookie dough blizzard. It was simply epic. But this is really good. I like this. Very sweet. But then the cookie dough pieces come in and really do well with this. I gotta say, brown sugar and sugar mixed together is such a good combination. It's always got like a robust flavor to it. That was really good. I want to give it a 10 because I feel like the two blizzards I had earlier this week were like really good compared to this. But I reckon I'm gonna give it an 8.5. It was really solid. Just feel like there could have been more chocolate syrup in there. and more pieces mixed in, I'd say. But other than that, really solid. So I am now frustrated with myself, but just like with the world a little bit. People have started to catch on to Dairy Queen's new items and started to review them. And so people have already done the tiramisu milkshake that I was hoping to take advantage of and get more views. So I did miss that, but you know what can I do? You know, nothing. So I will review that in a couple days, even though it'll be way too late because a lot of people have already seen the other video. They've already seen the other video. So I don't know. I don't know how I'm gonna keep this page growing. I really want to keep it growing, but like it's hard when you've got competitors, and it sucks to call them that. You know, they want to have fun and they want views too, but that's what they are. I mean, they kind of, with them being the big name, getting their video on the top, it knocks mine down at the bottom, and it gets in my way. So I don't know. I was hoping to get that video up and get a review, but I gotta keep pushing forward and act like it doesn't affect me, even though it does. So anyways, I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you give it a like, comment, and share. Go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That is very crucial to me, more crucial than anything to me, in my opinion. But hand in hand, my Instagram's pretty important as well, and that really got a good boost when I found an item that no one else had found or reported finding, and I shared it with the world, and then some of the bigger pages, like, they got my name out there a little bit more, but it didn't do much. It just did a marginal push. So just y'all, if y'all don't follow my Instagram, go ahead and do that. Redneck Snacking Food. I really want to see this thing take off during this quarantine, because like most people are not doing anything. They're at home, and y'all have time to go watch, to go share me with the world. Tell other people to come either enjoy my analysis of food or just laugh at me, because it's quite comical at times. But yeah, I'll have a couple more reviews up today. I don't know if I already mentioned this in this video, but I am coming to a slowdown. Once I get through all these Dairy Queen reviews, a lot of my snacks are just, they're full of carbs, they're full of sugar, they're bigger sized snacks. So like I have to just do a couple a day, which is fine. We've got all the time, and a lot of these things have been reviewed by other people. So I'm not too concerned about it. I just wanted to let y'all know that's what's going to happen in the near future. So yeah, won't be too slow yet, but it will come to a point where it is slow. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all around.